Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is me. I'll keep talking. And today we're going to learn in this section like uh, um, how to convert. Let me tell you the topic. The topic is suppose computer. Okay, computer is five and five thousand $5,320. Okay, so how will you convert it in dollar? And also we're going to learn like computer is 15 pages. Okay, so what will be the total cost? Okay, so first I have written like this, as you see, product name, cost, price, sorry, pictures, then total. Okay, so now as you see, we need to select it from here. Let me select it from here to here. Now we will make it the currency. So as you see, number, okay, then the currency. Now I converted these into dollars, okay? So, or you also can make on it, yeah, or you also can make these into euro, like this one. I wanna make it in euro, so euro. And now peaches is 15 peaches. So what will be the total cost? So you need to go to total, then um you need to put an equal sign, then sum. Okay. After that, um like to calculate the total cost, we need to do multiply. So first we need to make it open bracket, after press and press the shift, then shift plus 9. Okay, then the open bracket. After that, we need to multiply. Okay, so first the cost, then the multiply sign, then the pictures. Okay, this. So then enter. Okay, and now as you see, the, a little square sign. Okay, let me tell you another thing, that we are not using this formula again and again and again. Okay, so for without anyone doing that, we will see a little square sign. So you need to put the cursor on that, then you will see a plus sign. Okay, then you need to select it from the first to the from here, okay, the last. Now as you see, suppose computer. Okay, computer, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, oh yeah, what happened? Yeah, okay, a little bit, yeah, okay, like computer is this one. Okay, 15 pictures. So 15 pictures. Yeah, let me show you. Okay, 15 peaches. So, 15 peaches, and the cost is $5,320. Okay, euro, okay. Then 15 peaches. After that, what will be the total cost? Okay, if we take 15 peaches. So the total cost we need to make calculate like this. Then it will be okay. So and the total cost will be 79,800. Okay. Another example is laptop. Laptop is 2,999 euro, and the pieces is 7 pitches. So what will be the total cost if we take 7 pitches? So it will be 20,993. And that's all for today. Hope you like my presentation. I'll be back with a nice presentation. Till then, bye bye.